Right, quick overview of how the emails work in Connect. From the admin section, obviously we'll go into the consultants table, and here's where you can set up your email account. So we're looking at this particular login, which is my login. You've got some information you can store here about KPIs, openings. On the bottom left, we've got emails. So this will be your email details from your Exchange server or your IMAP account. We only work with IMAP emails, so you have to make sure you've got the right emails set up in the first place. Once you do, from anywhere in the database, if we go back to say a stats page, you can click on your little icon and go to emails, and from there you have obviously set emails that have already come in. If you haven't, then you need to click on the sync button, and once you've clicked on the sync button, you should get a list of folders that are obviously identical to the folders that should be on your IMAP account. Clicking the checking the on and off button here will determine which folders will be brought in to the actual to connect when you hit the sync button. So here's where users would choose an HRS email, for example, folder, for example, and they can dump stuff in to save everything coming in, or they can do their entire inbox if they wish. The little arrow will take you to those emails. If you click on them at the end, it will tell you how many you've got and how many are unread. So clicking on the sync button now, I've sent a few emails to myself. This is a manual process. Click on the button, the emails will come in. It obviously has to authenticate the account first, and then it will go through and receive the emails, and then it will dump them in this list view that you can see right in front of us. So as soon as that's done, you'll see the couple of emails there. These two have come in. They're obviously darkened out. The little smiley face shows that the email matches, so this is an email that matches someone that's already in the system. You can open that by just clicking on the arrow, and here you have the actual email there. You can view it in HTML or otherwise, and you'll see the attachments that are associated to it, the email address where it came from, and you can then reply from here as well. So same with the one we've got below. They're just identical little emails, just the same way any email works. But you have to hit the sync button for these emails to get pulled in. As soon as they've been pulled in, they get dumped there, and you can then deal with it from there. The notifications, as you can see at the top, will tell you how many emails have come in that you haven't yet dealt with, and obviously as you deal with them, you can move them over and they'll be seen, so the next set of notifications from the next email will come in. So next time you pull in some emails, obviously there'll be a lot of notifications at the top, and that's it.